everyone, my name is Sanhita Biswas. I'm basically from India. Now I'm staying in Canada with my family, that is with my husband, and I have a 9-year-old son. I'm just starting this YouTube channel to make you guys familiarize with the things like how is life in Canada, how is the working condition in Canada, how is the job market, how is the rent, how is it to be as an international student here. So I'm just gonna share all those information over various episodes. As an international student, it is definitely difficult here. When I first thought that I will do some course here, um, I just wanted to upgrade myself, my skills and everything, and that's when I thought like, let's do some course here. And my husband, he is in work permit. He was like working full time. So I was just thinking what to do, and then this thought came in my mind. Anyway, long story short is the studies I did here. This was like I did MBA in management analytics, and this is my second MBA. So one MBA I did back in India, that was probably a decade back, and then the second one I did now. But I could really see the difference. Definitely in the curriculum there is a lot of difference, but other than curriculum also, the way professors treats you, the way the classes are taking place, I mean everything. I honestly liked it here more. I felt professors here were really approachable. Somewhere I felt in here the professors are more professional. They will help you out if you definitely ask for help. जनरल जो क्लासेस हैं वो आपको वो कराएंगे, बट देन इफ़ यू सेंड देम ईमेल और इफ़ यू go to meet them, definitely like they will try to help you out. I'm not saying इंडिया में ये चीज़ नहीं होता, definitely होता है. मैं कंपैरिजन में भी नहीं जा रही हूँ, but it's just a personal experience or personal opinion, I would say, that I liked it more here. And then यहाँ पे as an international student there are many things which you can do, like you can work somewhere. You can actually, in Canada what happens is you work and you can actually kind of आप जितना कमाते हो उस वर्किंग से you can take care of your tuition fees and everything, but not in India, because India में ये होता है कि आपको लोन लेना पड़ता है, and then classes are इस टाइम पे classes होता है like throughout the day there will be classes. So आप एक्चुअली जॉब नहीं कर सकते हो इंडिया में, बट यहाँ पे ये चीज़ है कि आपकी इवनिंग क्लासेस भी होते हैं, मॉर्निंग क्लासेस भी होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट सेक्शंस ऑफ सेम सब्जेक्ट. सो आपके पास वो एक काइंड ऑफ लिबर्टी है कि आपको मॉर्निंग क्लास लेना है कि इवनिंग क्लास लेना है, विच डे यू वांट टू टेक. सो थोड़ा बहुत एक वो लिबर्टी इसमें रहता है जो कि मुझे इंडिया में नहीं दिखा था उस टाइम पे. सो यहाँ पे इसलिए आप देखो कि जितने भी इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं ना, वो मोस्टली फर्स्ट ईयर का तो चलो वो ट्यूशन शायद पे करके आते होंगे इंडिया से या जहाँ से भी आ रहे हों. उसके बाद ये लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे आके वंस दे स्टार्ट अर्निंग, काइंड ऑफ वो अपना ट्यूशन फ़ी खुद से ही कर लेते हैं मैनेज. सो या दैट इज़ काइंड ऑफ एन एडवांटेज हियर, आई वुड से.